Capacity. Abhi was trekking one day. While he climbed down a hill, he found a river flowing nearby. He wanted to take bath but was frightened to go into river. When he walked some distance, he found a tub kept nearby. But how to fill the tub? He searched around and found a mug lying. He found 1 liter mentioned on the mug. Capacity. What is capacity? Capacity is the maximum amount that something can contain. Standard unit of capacity is liter. It can be spelt L-I-T-R-E or L-I-T-E-R. These are different vessels generally used to measure the capacity. What are the basic units of capacity? Liter is not the only way to measure capacity. Unit of capacity and their symbols are liter, which is represented by L, or milliliter, which is represented by ml. The relationship between liter and milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, in order to convert liter to milliliter, we need to multiply by 1000. And to convert from milliliter to liter, we need to divide by 1000. Abhi picked the mug. He took water from river and poured it into the tub. He did it for 60 times and the tub was full of water. Abhi could take bath safely. He enjoyed a lot. Abhi filled the 1 liter jug from river. He poured the water of jug into the tub. He repeated this for 60 times and the tub was full of water. What was the capacity of the tub? These are different containers used to measure the capacity. Conversion of units of capacity. Let's convert 3 liters into milliliters. By now we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. In order to convert 3 liters into milliliters, we need to multiply 3 by 1000. This will change liters into milliliters. Therefore, 3 liters is equal to 3000 milliliters. Let's take another example. Let's convert 5 liters into milliliters. Again, we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. We will multiply 5 with 1000. This will make liters into milliliters. The result is 5000 milliliters. Happy learning!